Hi everyone, in front of me is LG Q6 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and now let's tap on the general. Here we have to scroll down in order to find apps. Let's tap on it, and here all you have to do is simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and on the second position we've got reset up preferences, so just tap on it. Here your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, apps with background data restrictions, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so just tap on reset. And as you can see, we've got the information that the device just successfully reset all app preferences. So actually this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your LG Q6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.